Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a motion sensor LED light. If you see for the one that we got right here from this brand, if you see in the bottom right here, they do probably got some of the specs and features that's on the product. So they do mention how it does have 54 super bright LED lights. It is motion activated and it is battery powered. And for this product, when you guys do purchase it, it does come in a pack of 2 of them. And in terms of the length or the size that we do have right here is 12.5 inch. They do have this available in a shorter option as well. So if you guys want a shorter one, you can get that instead. In terms of color temperature, we do have the white option. They do have this available in the warm option. So if you guys want that instead, you can get that one. But first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So first thing inside right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Next up right here, you see they do provide guys a charging cable that is used to charge the product, which is USB to USB-C. So they provide guys 2 of them, one for each one. And the last thing that's inside is actual product. And for both of them, they are the same. So I'm going to take out one of them to show you guys what she looks like. So on the back part right here, you see they do give you guys a magnetic option for you guys to stick it in the refrigerator. But we do take this part out. Here's basically what the product looks like right here. If you guys do take it out, once you guys do take out the wrapper, inside right here they do provide some stick-on tape that you can use to stick this onto the wall or anywhere else you want. So they probably got 4 of them right here. So if you guys don't want to use the magnetic option, you guys want to stick this onto right here. But for now, we'll just put that right here. And you see when you guys do put it on, the magnet that's on here is actually very strong. And when you guys turn on to the other side, here is basically what the other side looks like. So right here we do have the LED light, and then right here we do have the motion sensor option. And when you guys turn to the side right here, and you see we do have the button for you to turn it off and turn it on. And you do have the output for you to plug in the cable to recharge it, which is USB-C. So you see right here, there's 3 different options available. There's an off, there's an on, and a G mode. If you guys do turn on G mode, that turns it on. If you see how once you guys do turn it on, it does turn off. So I'm assuming that is motion sensor option. So once it detects light, it will turn off. But if you guys turn it on, if you see how it does stay on. So you basically have the option to keep the light on, or you can turn on motion sensor option to only turn on in the dark setting. And when you guys do use the product, it's actually very bright. You can see how when we do shine the light on our face. So whether if you guys want to use the product in your closet, your kitchen, your refrigerator, or anywhere else, however you guys want to use it and wherever you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. And because the product is wireless, you guys can definitely use it as a flashlight as well, which is pretty cool. So before we turn this on, let me show you guys how to charge the product first. So let's do plug in the cable right here. So once you guys do plug in the cable right here, it doesn't look like there's any way for you guys to know when it's fully charged or when it's charging. But they do mention the charge time that's on here should take around 3 hours to fully charge it from 0 to 100. And when you guys do charge the product, you do have the option to turn it on. So if you guys do turn it on, and you see the light does work, even when you guys do plug in cable. But now let's bring this to the fridge to stick this on to show you guys how strong the magnet that's on here. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. So right here we do have the product. If you guys do stick it onto the fridge, you guys want to take out the back part first and stick it on. You can see how when you guys do stick it on, the magnet that's on here is pretty strong. And if you guys do turn it on, that is basically what the product looks like once you guys do turn it on. And because the setting that's on here is pretty bright right now, it won't turn on. But once it does get darker, it will turn on. Let me actually make it a little bit darker. So right now you can see it's dark, but once I do walk by, it does turn on. So the product definitely does work when you guys do use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of product, and definitely actually does work and should work quite well. So if you see when you guys do stick it on the fridge, the magnet that's on here is actually really strong. Like I mentioned, you do have the option to use a tape to stick it onto the back, so that way you set it up onto the wall, in your closet, or anywhere else, which is pretty cool. But you see when you guys do the product, the motion sensor option definitely does work, and also the light that's on here is actually very bright. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to get unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market are looking for a high quality motion sensor light, where you can basically use it in closet, or you can also use it as a flashlight option as well. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.